You'll want to moonlight as a Santa for some extra cash if there's a need in your community, right? Hey, at 4:50, let's talk about that most accurate forecast here this morning as we get ready to almost wrap up this month. We're talking more winds in parts of Arizona this morning and more wind alerts that are still in place. I wanted to show you those breezes that continue in spots like Show Low and Flagstaff. The strongest are still in the areas like Show Low where winds sustained, so constant winds are topping 20 miles an hour. Meanwhile, breezes in spots like Flagstaff and at the Grand Canyon, Window Rock as well. As we go through the morning, we still have wind advisories in place for areas like Flagstaff, areas across Coconino County. Those are in effect until 8 o'clock this morning. Now, for areas like Show Low, those wind advisories actually are in place through early this afternoon, as those winds will start to ease up in north central Arizona, but they'll still be pretty strong in parts of northeast Arizona. So from Show Low up to Window Rock, gusts could still peak closer to 45 miles an hour with those constant wind speeds between about 20 and 30 miles an hour through the early afternoon. That alert will then expire at 2 o'clock. And you'll notice on Futurecast that we'll keep some light winds in areas like Flagstaff and Heber, but stronger breezes in spots like Show Low and Window Rock through the early afternoon. Then by 3 o'clock, those winds starting to ease up across the state. We still have some breezes, but they're essentially between about 10 and 15 miles an hour. Light winds overall throughout the day here in the valley. Our temperature this morning as you get ready to walk out the door, not too far off from where we were at this time yesterday. Still chilly, 48 degrees, below freezing in Prescott as we wake up to 30 degrees there rather. It's 37 in Payson, right at the freezing mark in Flagstaff, and 33 our temperature in Window Rock. Across the valley, you're seeing a mix of 40s and 50s this morning. So far, I'm not seeing any 30s. I'll keep you posted if that's the case, though, as we go through the next few hours. Our lowest temperature will likely come at around 7 o'clock this morning. That's typically when we see our low, just as that sun is coming up. So temperatures will still drop another degree or so this morning. For Phoenix, I think it's 40s through that 6, 7, even 8 o'clock hour. Then we start to warm, mid-50s by 10 o'clock, but you'll notice that the warm up is slower, and today's going to be a cooler day overall. 61 our temperature by noon, and then that high only reaching 66 today. 30-year average is now down to 70, but we're going to end up below normal today with those highs topping out in the mid 60s across the valley. 66 for Phoenix. To our west, it's low to mid 60s, and in northern Arizona, look for highs in the 40s to 50s. That 7-day forecast shows you that we'll quickly rebound into the 70s again tomorrow, with highs in the 70s through Saturday, but then rain chances showing up too Saturday, Sunday, and early next week.